Hey everybody, John D'Souza with Chris and Everett Real Estate here in South Bend, Indiana. And I wanted to give a little something back to the Zoom community out there. We've been big fans of Zoom for conferencing for some time, and we use it for training. But we all are finding new ways to use Zoom every day. And we came up with a little something here to help our trainers, because we know that some trainers, especially converting to the new online format, some of you like to use handwriting in your training methods, and that's perfectly fine. And although Zoom provides an annotation and a whiteboard option and things like that, it just doesn't quite feel right sometimes for trainers. It's not quite the same writing on the screen or trying to use your mouse to write, or even with a touch-sensitive screen. So we came up with another solution that we like it better. And here's what it is, quite simply. We rigged a second camera to shoot on a whiteboard. So as you can see here, this is just a regular whiteboard. And what we've done is that we rigged a clip with a gooseneck going to a second camera, and that camera happens to be a Logitech 920 that has a tripod mount, but it could be any camera with a tripod mount. And it's shooting right here. It's shooting right down on the board. And the magic of this works because Zoom provides us with the option to share a second camera. So if you go into screen share and you pick the, from the top, you pick on the advanced choice, which is three choices up on top. And from the advanced menu, there's a choice to shoot content from the second camera. So I'm gonna do that now. I'm gonna turn it on. So camera number one is the camera that's filming me on video. Camera number two is right here on the whiteboard. So as you can see, I can write on the board and I have a fair amount of space. It all depends on the angle, of course, that you have the camera and everything else. So it's just a really simple way to get content over there, and it gets captured. We did a little bit of tweaking on the camera settings to make sure that the camera is better suited for shooting the whiteboard image. But there it is, simple, reliable, just the cost of a second camera and a whiteboard. That's it. I hope it helps all of you with your training efforts during these difficult times. We got to get creative. Take care.